Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the default font color in Excel. We'll walk through customizing your workbook's appearance to match your preferences. You'll learn to create and save a unique color theme, then set it as the automatic default for all new spreadsheets. This ensures consistent branding and a professional look across all your Excel files, saving you time and effort. First, let's create your custom color palette. Go to the Page Layout tab on the Excel ribbon. In the Themes group, click on Colors, then choose Customize Colors. Here, you can modify various elements like text, background, and accent colors. For specific shades, select more colors to input exact RGB or hexadecimal codes, giving you complete control over your palette. Once you've perfected your color choices, give your new color set a descriptive name in the dialog box and click Save. This stores your custom color scheme. Next, while still on the Page Layout tab, click the Themes button. From the drop-down menu, select Save Current Theme. This action saves your entire theme, including your custom colors, fonts, and effects for future use. To make your custom theme the default, open a completely blank Excel workbook. Apply your newly saved custom theme to this blank file. Then, save this workbook as an Excel template, specifically naming it Book XLTX, and place it in your Excel Start folder. This folder's location varies, but a quick search can help you find it. Finally, restart Excel, and all new workbooks will automatically use your personalized font colors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.